Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply Celsius WG. Before you begin, gather all your safety gear, including gloves and eye protection. Next, accurately measure your lawn's square footage to determine the correct product dosage. Ensure your sprayer is clean and functioning properly. Finally, check the weather forecast. Avoid application if rain is expected within 1 hour or if temperatures are too high. Now, let's mix your solution. First, fill your sprayer with about half of the total water needed. Carefully measure the correct amount of Celsius WG using the scoop provided, following the label's instructions for your specific area. Add the measured product to the sprayer, then fill with the remaining water. Close the sprayer securely and shake it thoroughly to ensure a consistent mixture. When applying Celsius WG, focus on even coverage over the target weeds, rather than saturating your entire lawn. Maintain a consistent spray pattern to ensure each weed receives the proper amount of product. Be careful to avoid overspraying or creating puddles, as this can lead to uneven results. Remember, do not apply if rain is expected within 1 hour of application. After you've finished applying Celsius WG, it's important to clean your sprayer thoroughly with water to prevent clogging and ensure its longevity. Allow the treated area to dry completely before allowing pets or children back onto the lawn. Store any unused Celsius WG in its original container in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Finally, monitor the treated weeds over the next few weeks for signs of control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.